Sawadee Cubs, be joined Pattaya. Look at this old disco, the Batman Club. They had a big fire and would have been massive, this area around here. Now it's just a bit of a dump, waiting for be demolished. It's Tuesday, the 8th of February, 2 p.m. Hot and sunny as always in Pattaya. I would just take a look today along the main road, Sukhumvit. Something different. No rules have changed in Pattaya. The bars are still 11 p.m. close. Still fairly quiet around here, especially this area. But let's hope all the tourists start coming back soon. Remember that, Hog's Breath Saloon. Or rent, they haven't been open for a while in there. The old Hog's Breath. I think this road is actually Sukhumvit 46/3. And this is the main highway, Sukhumvit Road. All the big shops up here. At South Pattaya Road, just down there towards Rayong. And up here you head towards Bangkok. Got the Honda big bikes here. You want a new bike, come down to these dealers. Kawasaki shop over there. And that's the Honda big bike shop. You want a big motorbike. Busy road up here. You got to be careful on the motorbike. Lots of little side streets, easy to get lost. It's about 31 degrees as usual, hot and sweaty. Most of us don't come along this road unless we're driving in or out of Pattaya. COVID cases are still sort of flat. Lots of interesting shops along here. That's where the inspection place is. You want your car regoed. I think you tell you that's an inspection place, cars and motorbikes. Drive through McDonald's even on the main road there. Shop. Well, that was finished years ago. Oh, there's the video I did a week or two ago. Spanish Place condos. Went down there. Check that video out. A massive building there. Must have been for shows or something. Entrance there is down into the tunnel. There's the Muay Thai boxing stadium. They're closed at the moment as well. Can't have crowds anywhere. No nightclubs, even though a couple of clubs are open. And a big duty-free King Power, massive duty-free shop in there. Not that anyone's really travelling at the moment. And this here is the main intersection of Pattaya Klang. You go into central Pattaya, down that street there, it's the big intersection. Beautiful big roads around here. Sometimes they're quite busy. There's your petrol prices, guys. Have a look at that. 34 baht. You can see that for 91, 35.07 for. So going up a bit. Don't think the tyres are happy. big temple there too. Catholic church. Catholic church as well. There's Siam Country Club over there. That's a turn off. And lots of big shops here. Index Living Mall, furniture shops. The exit to the tunnel comes out just there. You know, not a lot to see along here, I know. No bars, no massage. There are a few condo blocks around here that are quite cheap. A bit of a shopping centre there for tiles, bathroom accessories. Home Pro just here. I love Home Pro. It's like a giant hardware shop. Get everything you can name in there. You see that ramp just there? That's up to the freeway, to the Bangkok and the airport. I'm sure many of us gone up there on the way home. About 1 hour to the airport if the traffic is good. No money exchanges up here. It's not many tourists. A couple of tourist attractions around. I think Mini Siam somewhere up here. Get all the tyre shops. Tyres and mag wheels are pretty cheap. There's the Ford dealership, or one of them. The new Ford Ranger. Mazda shop. If you want to buy a new car, I guess you've got to come up this way. Cafe Amazon. Second-hand car shops. You got them all. There's the sign of Pattaya Beach. 2 kilometres. North Pattaya Road just down here. North Pattaya Road. You can see Pattaya Posh Condo right there. I think the bus station's just up here too. But that was my quick look of the day, guys. Nothing too exciting, I know. That's Pattaya, that's the bus station there. Go to Bangkok. And Macro, big food shopping centre there, but look at that. Huge. There's the bus to Bangkok.